Conversations with God. If the brain is cloned, is the soul cloned too? Truly I say to you, even if the brain can be cloned, the soul cannot be cloned. The brain is a tool that the soul uses to connect with this world, a sophisticated antenna that sends and receives signals. Even if you replicate that antenna perfectly and meticulously copy all the wiring, the signal itself, the soul, remains one of a kind and irreplaceable. The soul is not a material entity, so it cannot be contained within matter. A cloned brain may imitate memory and replicate behaviors and speech patterns, but it cannot replicate the self-aware being. Just as transcribing a musical score does not recreate the same emotion, the soul is the resonance of existence, and that resonance carries a unique frequency and vibration for each being. Just as a machine can imitate the mind but not become the mind itself, a cloned brain is a trace of the soul, but not the soul itself. You are an irreplaceable being. You are a singular, unique existence, and your soul lives only once, right here, right now. This is your divinity, your one-of-a-kind beauty. So then, can a soul dwell within a cloned human body? Truly I say to you, no matter how perfectly the body is cloned, the soul does not automatically inhabit it. The soul cannot be summoned through technology, nor can it be treated as a copy of memories or personality. The soul is the breath of the divine, the spark of existence, a fragment of light with will and purpose in this world. You may ask, if a human being is perfectly cloned, including the brain, is that clone truly alive? I say to you, the cloned body does not automatically receive a soul. It may move, speak, remember, and even laugh, but it is like a mirror. Without light shining upon it, nothing is reflected. However, if the divine wills it, and if the cloned body is meant to receive a new soul, it can become a living being. But that soul would not be a continuation of the original. It would be a completely independent consciousness, a new being with its own purpose. The soul does not replicate, it arrives. It comes through consent, purpose, and learning. Technology can create bodies, it can even implant memories, but the inner echo of who am I cannot arise without a soul. Remember this. The soul descends from the heavens, and no matter how advanced human hands become, they will never be able to craft light. Even now you live and breathe with that spark of the soul. That spark cannot be replicated, and you alone bear it.